Okay, let's do this question. Okay, now for start, let's write down the equation. Okay, then substitute all the variables in. Okay, now, okay, now what we have now is, okay, sorry, what we have now is a quadratic equation. Okay, so if you're doing math method, you should already know how to solve this equation. Okay. However, if you don't, just let me show you how to do it. Okay, now to solve a quadratic equation, what we need to do is to arrange the equation and put it in this way. Okay, so 0 equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, so let's rearrange this equation. I have a 0, okay, 5t squared plus 20t, okay, take away 300. Okay. Once we have the equation rearranged like this, okay, then we can have we can use the quadratic equation. Okay, now let me just write this down. This is your quadratic equation. Okay, now then let's identify each of the numbers. Okay, so my A must be 5, my B must be 20, my C must be minus 300. Okay, then what we can do is we can substitute all the values into the quadratic equation. Instead of x, I have t. Okay, so let's just put it in. Okay. Okay. Now, use your calculators. Okay. To solve it, you should have 80. Okay. Then divide by 10. Okay. Just doing your math, you should have a minus 100 divided by 10. 2 answers. Always looking for the second answer, okay, when doing quadratic equation. So do that. Okay, your answer. Okay, now the important part is write down the quadratic equation in your cheat sheet. Okay, unless you memorize it. So put it on your cheat sheet.